In this video, we'll show you how to change the batteries in your ADT Smoke Detector SSS5R0. This smoke detector is compatible with the ADT Smart Home Security bases and requires three 3-volt CR123A batteries, which you can purchase from an online or local retailer or from ADT by calling 800-ADT ASAP. You'll know it's time to replace the batteries when you receive a low battery notification from the ADT Plus app. Additionally, a system issue alert will appear on your ADT Plus app dashboard. Tap the alert to view details about the issue. New batteries, but still seeing a low battery warning? Make sure the batteries are installed correctly. Now, let's get started. Make sure your system is disarmed. If your system is professionally monitored, put it in test mode before proceeding. This prevents the ADT Monitoring Center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn more about test mode. To access the battery compartment, you'll need to remove the detector from its mounted location. Using the markings on the side as a guide, gently twist the device counterclockwise to the unlocked position and remove it from the mounting plate. Now that you have access to the battery compartment, use your fingertip to pry open the battery door on the back of the detector and remove the used batteries. Pro tip: clean the new batteries and the metal contact points inside the detector with an alcohol swab to remove any residue. Then, insert the new batteries. Make sure they're placed in the device correctly, with the positive ends pointing toward the plus signs inside the device. Then, close the battery door. To remount, position the detector over the mounting plate, aligning the vertical mark on the side of the detector with the tab on the mounting plate. Then, turn clockwise until it's in the locked position and clicks into place. That's it! You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT smoke detector. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT smart home security devices and system, or to chat with us.